In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grammarly not working in Chrome simple tutorial. If Grammarly has stopped showing suggestions or seems unresponsive, don't worry, these quick checks inside Chrome usually get it working again. First, make sure Grammarly is actually turned on for suggestions. Look at the top right corner of Chrome for the extensions area. If you don't see the Grammarly icon, click the small puzzle piece to open the extensions menu. Then select Grammarly from there. In the pop-up, confirm that check for writing suggestions is toggled on. When this switches off, Grammarly won't underline issues or offer help, even if the extension is installed. After turning it on, refresh the page you are working on so Grammarly can scan the text box again. Next, verify that Chrome is allowing Grammarly to read the sites where you want help. In the address bar, type Chrome extensions and press enter. Find Grammarly in the list and click Details. Look for the permissions related to site access. Sometimes labeled "Allow this extension to read and change all your data on the websites you visit." Make sure Grammarly has permission to read site data on the pages you use, either on all sites or on the specific sites you write on. Without this access, Grammarly can't analyze your text. When you are done, go back to your document and reload the page. Now ensure you are fully logged into your Grammarly account. Click the Grammarly extension icon again. If you see an option to log in, follow the prompts and complete the sign-in so the extension can connect to your account. Sometimes a session times out quietly and features pause until you are authenticated. Once you are signed in, try typing in a text field to see if suggestions appear. If it's still not working, clear your browser cache to remove stale data that can conflict with extensions. In Chrome, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Be aware that clearing cookies will sign you out of most sites, so only proceed if you are comfortable with that. Select a time range. Then clear the data. Afterward, return to your page and try Grammarly again. That's it. Toggle suggestions on Confirm Site Permissions. Make sure you are logged in and clear your cache if needed. These steps resolve most issues quickly, so you can get back to writing with confidence. Thanks for watching.